everyone, it's Desiree. We are going to make a birthday card, really a birthday cake, but we're going to use some different type of shapes. And this card is going to be using the cake metal die. So it's rectangles cut on an angle. We're going to add some birthday candles because no cake is complete without some candles. And then, of course, the Happy Birthday Fine Script sentiment. Now, we're going to use a different type of embellishment for our die cuts. I've taken care of all the die cuts. We are going to have multiple layers. So I used color cardstock for the top, and then I just used white for underneath. Because the image is going to take up a lot of the front of the card, I didn't want to cover it up at all with the sentiment. So, sentiment's going to go on the inside of our card. Why not? We can put it on the back if we want. Again, we can have fun with our cards when we create. And no, I didn't lose that little tiny dot for the eye. Miracles can happen. It's awesome. I'm going to layer the cake stand base 3 times, 2 with white and 1 with a satin mirror cardstock. And we'll place that on the top. When it comes to the layers of the cake, not the candles, kept those one layer. Some will have 2 pieces of cardstock of white, some will have 1, just to give, not only are they different shapes, but we're going to make them different heights, along with, adding that dimension to our card panel. Kind of have a rainbow going on too with the colors, but again, pink, a darker pink, an orange, and a yellow. For those that I'm not going to use, we're just going to push those off to the side. When it came to the candles, when I die cut them, the candle itself is going to be like an aqua, and then I did the flames in yellow, and then die cut again the birthday candles so that I could have an orange center. And you'll see that when we go to put these on our card, that we'll be able to put that center. I'm using my wax pencil to pick up those small yellow pieces so that we can get those onto the edge of our candles. So here are our pieces. They are all ready to go. This is going to be on a standard A2 size card base, and that is white that we'll be using, and our panel that all of this is going to go on will be ivory. I grabbed a white gel pen. Now this is one of the jelly rolls. This is a size 10. And I'm just going to decorate each of the layers of the cake with different patterns, whether it's dots, jagged lines, scallops, just going to have fun. Here's the best tip that I can give you when it comes to a white gel pen. Whether it's the Signo, whether it's the original jelly rolls, it doesn't matter. The less pressure you use when using the pen, the better. If you are one that puts lots of pressure down when you write, the jelly roll will stop flowing from the pen, or the white gel ink will actually stop flowing from the pen. The lighter hand you have, the more it will work better. The more it will work better. Yeah, okay. So give that a try if you feel you struggle with a white gel. I did for years. I did forever. But now that I've learned that and tried it, it works. So here we go, our mats. So here's our ivory panel, and then I have the black mat behind it. I think black just really makes this pop. We're going to start with our cake base and then add each of our layers. And you want to wait until the gel pen dries. And we're going to offset those from side to side. And then we're going to have fun placing our candles. Some of them are going to be on an angle. Well, all of them are going to be on an angle. Yes. We're going to get our cake pieces down first so that they are in place for when we place our candles. And again, just adding some liquid glue to the back. And then looking to see how we want our candles to sit. And I'm able to rest them right up onto that edge and snip as we need to. And using tweezers to hold it so that we can see where it is in height, because again, we want it to sit on the panel. Once they're where I want them to go, we're going to set those with glue, and then we're going to put glue in the center of the flames. And we're going to add our pieces of orange cardstock. Now, this would be great to light up if you wanted to do that. And then using our fine point of the tweezers just to make sure that they are in place. We're going to get this set onto our standard A2 size card base, and this is a top folding. And with the white, it just really helps all of those colors and the design that we put on each layer of our cake to really stand out. I had a lot of fun with this one. I think it's absolutely adorable and great for a mass production. If you need birthday, if you had a party and you want to say thank you, this would be perfect for that. As always, I hope you enjoyed today's project. Hope I gave you some tips and tricks as you're creating in your crafty space. Remember to subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and make sure you ring the bell to make sure that you're notified of the next one. Enjoy the process. Have fun creating. Think of different ways to add interest and dimension to your art. But most of all, remember what's most important. Always be creative, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Till then.